Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. Sorry about moving you around here, but I have this magnifying desk lamp. And we're gonna give this thing a try. We're gonna give it a go together here and hook it up to the desk. So this is what it looks like here as we open it up. It comes with some instructions to the clips and stuff and what we're gonna do. Put that there. Here is, man, there's too much stuff on this desk. Okay. This is the thing that will connect it to the desk, so we'll actually connect it up. Wow, it's a lot of unscrewing. I wonder if there's a quick way. Okay, so it's got such small threads. It takes a while. Probably almost. Oh man. Okay, there we go. So there we go. We're tightened up. Okay. Then we have, ooh, the magnifier here. This is what it looks like, and it's got the little light on the end of it. So that will mount into here. Let's see. Everything is very screwed in tight. Okay. So there we go. So this is kind of how it will work, and you'll be able to rotate it like this to look at stuff. So that's it. And then this is the power cord. And this is the power adapter. See if we can reach, I don't know if we're gonna be able to reach the electric from here. Nope, not a chance. No, but open this up here. Let's try to see how close we can get. Ah, look at that, we have light. So that's what we get there. So let's see what other parts we have in here now. So we have our little clamps. Whoa, all our little grabber clamps. We have the base unit. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. So let's scoot some of this stuff over. And let's set up the little base. And look at that, it's got a nice padded bottom to it. Oh, you know what we can do? We didn't even have to connect it up into there. We could have put it right onto there. Very cool. So we can actually have a little portable stand for us as well. Very nice, look at that. Very cool. Okay, now let's look at our other stuff here. So we have these, which are magnet clamps. This is sweet. Bring y'all closer here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's see, I guess this is gonna be like that. There we go. Okay, so I'll show you guys this here. Let's see, how do these go? So they have a little screw hole on the side. Okay, and then we can put a little clamp inside of it there. See, so we can have little grippers to hold things as we want to solder them or work with them or whatever it is. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, let's see if I can move you guys in here to see this. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it as good as me. Let's see if we go this way. See, there we go. So there's the little clipper there, and if we had it in the super zoom little corner, it would look like, boy, well, there's something. There you go, but you get the idea. So look how nice that is, and it's all lit up and everything. Really nice. So that is the magnifying lamp. So I can use this when I'm doing soldering, when I'm doing little work, when I am doing my laser engraving and stuff. I'll be able to kind of, you know, check out all my stuff after I do it. So I'm gonna say this is a really nice little setup here. So super thumbs up, like it a lot. Getting ready to go use it probably shortly.